So this is the M2 Max MacBook Pro. Let's talk about it. Matte black glass, aluminum rails, massive specs, quad cameras, a hidden stylus. Oh wait, hang on a sec. Yeah, no, that was the wrong phone, sorry. Let's start that over. Matte black glass, aluminum rails, massive specs, quad cameras, a hidden stylus. You get the point. This is the Nothing Phone 2. You can tell because the glass on the back is rounded a bit. Otherwise, it looks pretty similar to the Phone 1, but don't let that fool you.